मैम हम इस वीडियो में ब्लड ग्रुप के बारे में जानना चाहते
Okay, first let me introduce myself. I am Jayashree. I am working as an assistant professor in Tirthankar Mahavir University. So, what do you want to know?
हैं। मैम ब्लड ग्रुपिंग क्या है एंड ये हमारे फोरेंसिक्स में कैसे इम्पोर्टेंस लगती है।
So, first, if I will talk about blood grouping, there are approximately 29 blood grouping systems in which 20 are the minor and 9 are the major. So, ABO blood grouping is the one out of these 9 major blood grouping method. ABO blood grouping was given by Dr. Karl Landsteiner in 1901. So basically, ABO blood grouping is all about antibody and antigen reaction. As we know, we are having RBCs in our blood, scientifically we known as erythrocytes. So AB antigen is present on our red blood surface. So as it get the antibody, suppose if we will talk about blood group A. So blood group A is having antigen A and it needs the antibody B. So it will show the agglutination. Basically, agglutination is about antigen and antibody reaction. When antibody and antigen react, it shows some type of coagulation. Basically, some fragments will appear. It's not like कि आपको complete blood दिखेगा. It will not be liquidiform. It will become like coagulate.
सो हम जानते हैं कि ब्लड ग्रुपिंग के लिए क्या क्या मटेरियल्स हमें चाहिए होते हैं मैम।
So we need cotton. We are having tip of micropipette. These are the slides. We are having anti-sera for blood grouping. This is anti-A, anti-B, and anti-D. So let's start. So these are my students from MSc second years. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Vaibhav Mishra. I am from Masters Forensic Science and we are going to perform ABO blood grouping under the guidance of Ms. Tashi.
Hello, I am Namra Ashwin.
So let's proceed for our practical. So first we need slides. So these people are having slides. Now we need the blood. So we are gonna use lancet to take the blood out. So number. So before using lancet, we need to clean our finger. This is the sprit we are gonna use to clean our finger. Hold it now. This is the waste that we are gonna discard last. So now we are gonna add anti-serum. So this is anti-sera A that we are gonna add in first drop of blood. Add a single drop of anti-sera number. Good. Now we are gonna add anti-sera B in second drop. Add anti-sera B. Now in third drop we will add anti-sera D. Add anti-sera D. Now you have a add anti-sera D. Single drop. So To see the better agglutination, we are gonna mix these drops by using microtip. Use this. Use this. So basically, ABO blood grouping is uh, reaction between antibody and antigen. So let's see what is our result. So this blood group is O positive, right? This blood group is O positive because the agglutination happened in third one drop where we add the antibody D. Okay, anti-sera D. Now let's see this blood. So this is B positive, as you can see here. In second drop agglutination happened where we add the anti-sera B, and in third one drop happened agglutination where we add the anti-serum D. So this is indicating this is blood group B positive.
सो मैम मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि एबीओ ब्लड ग्रुप कितने टाइप के होते हैं?
So basically there are four type in ABO blood group. Blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB and blood group O. So if we are saying blood group A, that means it has antigen A and antibody B. If we are saying about blood group B, then it has antigen B and antibody A. If we are talking about blood group AB, it doesn't have any antibody, it has antigen A and antibody B. If we will talk about blood group O, then it doesn't have any antigen, basically it is having the antibodies. So you will see ki I'm saying blood group A, so it is having the similar antigen blood group, antigen A. So it has the antibody B. So it will show coagulation, basically we known as scientifically agglutination. Agglutination is the reaction between antigen and an antibody. When antigen A and antibody B meets, it will show the agglutination.
मैम ब्लड ग्रुपिंग में आरएच फैक्टर का क्या रोल होता है?
Basically RH factor tells about कि आपका suppose if we are saying कि blood group A, तो RH factor आपको बताता है कि आपका blood group A positive है या फिर A negative है. तो जो RH factor था, it was founded by Dr. Carl Landsteiner and one more partner of doctor, name was Alexander.
सो मैम मेरा अगला क्वेश्चन ये है कि फोरेंसिक्स में ब्लड ग्रुपिंग का क्या रोल होता है?
So basically in forensics as well as clinical I will say कि आप सपोज आपको किसी को ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूज करना है, तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू नो द ब्लड ग्रुप ऑफ दैट पर्सन, राइट? if it is person having the blood group A, so we need to transfuse the blood group A. We cannot transfuse blood group B. We can transfuse blood group AB, right? If we will transfuse blood group B, then the blood will coagulate. As I told you ki antigen A reacts with antibody B, right? In forensics what we can do is by using blood group we can minimize the population. Suppose कोई crime scene है, राइट? अब क्राइम सीन पे 10 लोग प्रेजेंट हैं और जो क्राइम सीन पे ब्लड फाउंड हुआ है दैट इज ब्लड ग्रुप बी. Now suspecting those all 10 people is a long procedure. Again we have to do the DNA and all. What we can do is we can find the people who are having the blood group B in those 10 people. So what we did is we minimize the population. We cannot do individualization on the basis of blood group system.
सो मैम माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कि क्या हम किसी इंडिविजुअल को सिर्फ ब्लड ग्रुप के बेसिस पे उसको सस्पेक्ट मान सकते हैं?
No, completely no. Further, for individualization, we have to do the DNA analysis. On the basis of DNA only, you can individualize someone.
सो मैम अब हम अपने वीडियो के नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट में चलते हैं, रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चंस। सो मैम पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि एबीओ सिस्टम की डिस्कवरी किसने की?
डॉक्टर कार्ल लैंडस्टीनर ने 1901 में।
मैम एग्लूटिनेशन क्या होता है?
Agglutination is a reaction between antibody and antigen.
यूनिवर्सल रेसिपिएंट कौन?
AB.
एंड आरएच फैक्टर का नाम कैसे पढ़ते हैं?
On the basis of rhesus monkey.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि forensic की लिमिटेशंस क्या है?
Forensic blood grouping की limitations are like we cannot do the individualization first. Environmental conditions में degrade हो सकता है sample आपका, और अगर आपको mixed blood मिल सकता है तो the result will be very.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome, Chitransh. It is my pleasure, and I truly enjoyed this session.
So guys, अगर आपको ये वीडियो एंटरटेनिंग प्लस एजुकेशनल लगा है, सो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कमेंट जरूर करिए और हमारे सारे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स को फॉलो कीजिए। That's all for today.